YouTube, what it do? It's your boy Mike Lowry, 704. Coming back at you, man, with another vid. As y'all can see, got a pack in, Nike receipt, that gold box. I've been waiting on this thing for a minute. They had that bad weather up in Tennessee. They got delayed. Already busted open. 23 paper. There they go. I like these joints over the red ones. That red wasn't popping like it was supposed to be. It didn't look the same as it did in the pictures. Yeah. I just wanted to show y'all that real quick. Let you get your eyes on that. These joints are dope though. I'm feeling these for real. Get that 30th in there. Yeah, that's what's up. Wanted to show y'all that real quick, man. A little something. Nothing too major. Look at the other one. The paint is crazy. Yeah. I like that finish. And I ain't really no 10s guy, man. I don't really fool with them 10s like that, but these was hot. That's what's up, YouTube. Get back at y'all in the next one. All right, man. Peace.